In today's video, I will teach you how to utilize the powerful effect brush in PicMonkey. Let's get started. Most people use editing sites and programs to apply effects and filters on their photos. But did you know that PicMonkey can apply different effects on different parts of your photo by using a brush? To do this, open your image in PicMonkey's editor first. Once the image is in the editor, go to the sidebar and open the Effects tab. Here, there is a wide variety of different effects from basic and black and white to artsy and light. You can see the preview of each effect by simply selecting it, and each effect has its own parameters that you can freely adjust depending on what you're going for. For example, under the tried and true category, we have the Orton effect. This one smooths out your image, raises the contrast, and makes the color more vibrant. In this effect, you have the option to adjust the bloom amount that you would like to apply on the image, which basically gives your image the glowy airbrushed effect. You can also adjust the brightness level of the effect if you think that it makes your image darker than what you have in mind. Lastly, we have the fade slider, which is a very common adjustment option for each effect. It basically determines how intense the effect will be. The lower the fade value you set, the more intense the effect is going to be. And the higher you set the fade value, the more subtle the effect is going to be. So feel free to adjust each parameter to your liking. Now, for the fun part, click the paintbrush icon and switch to brush mode. Once you switch to the brush mode, you will notice that the effect will be erased from your entire image. This is because you can use the brush to simply paint over the areas where you would like to specifically apply the effect on. This can be very useful for color grading, wherein some areas might not need more saturation and some areas might need more contrast. Feel free to switch the brush styles depending on what you're comfortable with. Then change the size, hardness, strength, brush rotation, and spacing before going over the areas where you would like to apply the effect on. If you wish to erase some of the effects, you can simply switch to the eraser mode and go over the areas where you would like to remove the effect from. Once you're satisfied, you can click apply and repeat the same process on different effects that you would like to apply to your image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.